Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have this Alpinestars tech-7 boot, the second one that failed on me, and you can see the hinge here is totally broken, and I plan to fix it. So to fix this you need some tools. You need a drill with some drill bits and a knife, a thread tap and a screw that matches the thread tap. Nice way to do that is by just checking that the threads match together, and a washer. So let's just start. Alright, this is a 2mm drill bit, and I'm just gonna drill from the inside and out just to find a hole or a center, so I can drill with a bigger one from the opposite side. Okay, so I drilled a hole from the inside just to find the center of that rivet that's broken. And I'm now gonna do a drill with my 3.5mm drill, since I'm using a 4mm screw, and the ideal had to be using a 3.7mm, but I didn't have that, so I'm going for 3.5. Should be close enough. Alright, we have a 3.5mm hole. I'm now gonna use my thread loss or thread tap or whatever you call it. Get some lube for that one. Some lube. Almost through. Alright, we are through. Next thing to do is to cut a hole in the inside of the boot that we're gonna stitch together later. I have a Sharpie here. Alright, we have a hole, and we take the 4mm screw with the washer. You see it doesn't build anything, and there's a padding on the inside of the shoe here, so you won't feel this one. Make sure to get the padding on the outside of the screw, not the inside. And there it is. If the screw you choose is too long, of course just grind it down. I'm now gonna take some silicone on the outside here, just really stick out anything. The hinge is now operational, and this will last for at least a year, like the other boot I did, which is still operational. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you soon again.